In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF fillable form for free. Let's begin. So this is the PDF that we want to fill, but as you can see here, if we try to click under these headings, it's not going to give us the option to. So what you need to do is you need to open up a web browser and then type in SATA, then select the first link. Then in the middle, you're going to see something like a green button which says edit a PDF document. It's free, so select it. Then it's going to ask you to upload the PDF file. So here it is, I'm going to use it. Select the first option or any other PDF documents that you want to use, then select open. Now what you notice at the top is it's going to give us a list of things that we can do to our document. We can add in links, we can add in forms, images, and so on. So we want to add in a text box under name, date of birth, phone number, and email. So go to the top and then select form, select the drop-down option, then look for something which says add new form fields, then choose the first one which says text box. You're going to click under name, then simply just adjust it to your liking. Then do the same again, go back to the top, select text box, then choose date of birth, and adjust it until you're happy, and just keep following the same process. Now for things such as addresses, if you're going to be entering multiple addresses, just go to the top, select the drop-down option, and choose text multi-line. Then click under that address area, and as you can see here, there's going to be three following text, sample text, and then sample text again. Just simply adjust it. So for the treatments area, there's going to be these little squares, and we want to add in a checkbox. So go to the top, and then choose forms again. But this time, instead of text, choose checkbox. Go back, click in the box, and adjust it. Then do the same for the rest. Once you're done, select download. Okay, so we've opened up our recently downloaded PDF, and what you notice is if we click under name, you're going to see this little thing that appears here, which shows us that we can now type. Then if we go to date of birth, we can also type there. Then phone number, and then email as well. So if you go to treatments, the checkbox area, all you simply need to do is just click. And as you can see there, that little tick just appears. And it's that simple. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.